Hey guys, welcome to a quick unboxing. I'm going to do today for what I think is in this box, which is an out of order Automatico with the red blue Pepsi style bezel. Got this for a really good deal on the Watch Gang Members Exchange, which I've been finding is a very useful, albeit unfortunately very addictive group to be a part of. There's a lot of trading going on with watches and different things, and if you need something or you're looking for a specific watch, you basically can go on there and, you know, put it out there to the community, and more often than not you get a ton of responses, different options and so on. So, okay, so there's the box. Obviously got the damaged in Italy kind of thing going on, which I'm not convinced about as a marketing ploy, but box is really nice. Got this as a brand new, basically brand new in box purchase for, I mean this one retails I think about $689. I'm just going to unwrap, put the bubble wrap out of the way, and then you guys can hopefully see that. So yeah, brand new in box watch. Comes with the metal strap by default. Hopefully that's sort of in focus. So yeah, it's kind of got that distressed look on the metal, which, you know, I'm kind of not sold on it, but I'm interested to kind of live with it a little bit. So there's the watch face. So we'll do a quick unwrapping here, if I can get, yep, okay. All right. Do have a couple of others coming. I've got a Casanova, I think it is, and what's the other one? Is it Scorpion or something? Can't remember, but just want you to hear the bezel there. So hopefully that's coming across okay in the camera. I'm kind of doing this upside down a little bit, so it's difficult to kind of gauge, but yeah, so there you go. You can see the out of order branding around the inside of the casing there. There's a nice sheen off the watch face, which you don't really get in a lot of the photographs. It just looks like kind of a flat matte black kind of look, so I like that. There's a little bit more dynamic kind of going on there. Very nice. I love the blue red combo on watch bezels. I think it's really nice. There's another one I do want to get, which is it's the out of order. It's a I think it's the Scorpion, but it's like a slightly different finish on it. It's like a nice, almost like a turquoise blue with the red, and then a blue watch strap. Actually, on the note of watch straps, I also went for this one because this is kind of cool, and I think this is probably the way I'm going to wear this, but it actually has this black leather watch strap with the red blue, you know, so you can either match it to the side that it's on, or not. Yeah, it's a really soft leather with a nice kind of galvanized sort of deep gunmetal grey kind of clasp on it. So that's really actually quite nice, and a little bit of a nice surprise. I thought this was going to be really hard and harsh, so I'll probably end up wearing this rather than the metal. So I'm kind of happy to have discovered this because I really like the look and the richness of the color, and distressed, but to my mind not too like overly beaten up looking or anything. I quite like the look there. You can see it's nice, got a nice sheen off it and everything. Hopefully get some of that in terms of the actual watch itself. You can see some of the detail there. Kind of nice brushed sort of effect. Little OOO looks kind of cool. The branding, so it is a little bit distressed, but it's almost like a multicolored the way it kind of comes. The brand there. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with this. Got it for about, I don't know, 60% off retail by being part of the Watch Gang exchange. So pretty happy with that. We'll see how the others come through. I'll do some unboxings and first impressions on those as well. That's the kind of size. I think it's a 44, I think 44 mil. So yeah, very happy with the look of this. Alright guys, so for now, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful, just to see the sort of detail on the watch, which as I say, isn't really shown on a lot of the videos and photographs out there. Let me know if you have any questions or queries about whether it be the brand, about these watches we're doing unboxings for at the moment, or even like the Watch Gang group and the exchange on Facebook and so on, because I've kind of got pretty deep in there the last week or so, doing different auctions and quests to find certain watches and so on. So let me know your thoughts and comments. Make sure you hit that like button for me. I would appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and I can keep you posted with new videos as we go. Meantime guys, have a great day. Take it easy.